Today we are doing the 3 learning disabilities: dysgraphia, dyscalculia, and dyslexia. To start, we'll start with dysgraphia, which is when students have difficulty with spelling and they also confuse upper and lowercase letters. They will write at a slower pace than others, and dysgraphia is in fact a neurological disability. And it's in a sense that it's not simply a messing handwriting, but it is more so of a student having trouble in some or many steps of the writing process, resulting in a struggle to write essays or just simple sentences. They have inconsistency with the letter spacing, where they usually don't space the words correctly, either too big or too smallly spaced out. And they also struggle to stay within the lines. One good strategy is having the student use a speech-to-text program, because it helps them focus as to what to write and how close or far to space them out, evenly. Or they could use tactile paper. As for dyscalculia, it is basically dyslexia, but for math and numbers. In dyscalculia, students struggle to decode numbers and symbols. They are typically and severely, several grade levels behind in math skills. Adults have difficulty seeing dyscalculia until a student tries out algebra, and students/children with dyscalculia can be exempt from heavy mathematical courses, also known as physics, chemistry, or tougher courses like college algebra. One strategy is learning with objects rather than books, which would be live interaction. With the students who struggle with numbers on paper, it's very useful for that live interaction. If I have 2 apples and I take away 1 apple, how many apples do I have left? And the last disability would be dyslexia, which is a specific learning disability that is neurologically in origin, with severe difficulties in phonological and phonemic awareness. Some of the impairments and difficulties that come with dyslexia is comprehension problems, memory. They struggle to make connections to prior knowledge, understanding text structure, and they read words quickly. One strategy is using a special text called dyslexie, if I can speak, where the letters are bottom heavy. They are more spaced out and consists of different styles of the lowercase levels to not confuse them with other letters. This makes it easier for someone with dyslexia to read the words and letters, so that way they're not getting confused.